BUC-EE'S announced that they were going to do this project back in August of 2023. So it's been almost a year, and hopefully it gets started next month.
Now they say it'll take 18 months from groundbreaking till the store actually opens. So if they start next month, that pushes us to the early part of 26, probably late 25 at the earliest. So still a lot of time to go before we actually see a store in this location. Today is Sunday, July 14th, 2024. We haven't brought you a BUC-EE'S update since April. There's not been a whole lot going on that you can see with a video or a picture, but there has been some things going on behind the scenes. So what we've learned is the mayor of Huber Heights, Jeff Gore, he made a Facebook post this weekend. He said the groundbreaking will begin on August 8th of next month. Some of the things that have gone on behind the scenes, BUC-EE'S has gotten approval from the Planning Commission to build. They've gotten approval from ODOT to make the necessary changes to the interchange on the interstate. And I think just last week they submitted plans. They did a test that determined that they need a 125-foot tall sign so that it can be seen from the interstate, and they have to submit that as the final part of their plans. But the city of Huber Heights has told them that they can start building or start groundbreaking whenever they want. One of the other things going on behind the scenes, Clark County has a lawsuit pending against the city of Huber Heights over services. Those services are water and sewer. I don't think that'll really stop anything. So hopefully we can start bringing you some more videos of substance instead of a field that nothing's changed in except for it gets green or it has snow.
Yeah, we're standing in front of the last standing building that will be taken down for this project. This
is all that's left to take down structure-wise to get the land ready for groundbreaking. So, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe so you can catch all the updates on the BUC-EE'S construction. And thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
One other thing that's changed since our last video in April is the addition of this billboard advertising the next BUC-EE'S is 571 miles ahead. This billboard is located on I-70 westbound, right before the exit where the new BUC-EE'S in Huber Heights will be located. 571 miles from this location would be the BUC-EE'S in Springfield, Missouri.